Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Pedarilla. Let's get into your reading for the month of August 2021 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter sign for the sign of Aquarius. So we can start with the face up fortune, Queen of Discs, Knight of Discs, adjustment, worry, the Lovers, the Moon, the Tower, strife. Success, the Aeon, peace, death, the Devil, disappointment. So we can start with the reading, guys. Hello guys, welcome back. So we can start with the reading, but before I start, I can see, one candle went off as I was like doing the face up. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I have two candles over here, next to Ganesha, but one of that candle went off. So that's not necessarily a good sign. Okay, it's not a good sign, and universe always gives signs for us, so it's not a good sign. So I feel like you need to be very alert and aware this month August, because you can see, I'll just straight off tell you before first only, because I don't want to create this disappointment at last. I want to really make you aware of what is going on, so you can watch my reading a little more consciously and take every input what I give, because this is heavy reading. Because with the Wheel of Fortune coming in the center, every time it comes, we have to be really blessed and grateful, because Wheel of Fortune has this power to really move towards and guide us along the place where it is good and we are destined. But I feel like even with the Wheel of Fortune, even when universe is giving you signs, I feel like there is some part of you that is not open in seeing these signs, and you're literally not seeing it. Okay, we can see the situation. Let's get into the situation. Queen of Discs, Fortune, Knight of Discs. Okay, fine. Wheel of Fortune in the center. This is universe presenting to you the sign of where to go. But you can see Queen of Discs and Knight of Discs. This is you having two different characters. Because all you want to gain is money, okay, and you're just moving forward in order to just make money, okay. But universe is telling something valuable regarding knowledge, okay. Something universe is trying to give you knowledge regarding something, but you're not open to seeing it. You just need money. So you can see the Queen of Discs facing on the other side of the fortune, Knight of Discs facing other side of the fortune. So no matter what character you take, no matter what you do, I feel like you're just focused so much on money. You're not looking at the educational aspect, what universe is trying to say. And this, I want to really stress this, because you can see the karma. Karma always depends on the things that you cannot change right now. But I feel like it's almost too late right now, because you cannot really change much of your character and what you're going, because you have already taken some decisions right now, and karma is already fixed right now. You cannot change the karma, okay, because there is no other way around, as I said, in the karma. And you can see how positive center of the reading is Fortune. It can change everything. It can change negative into positive, but because of your actions and what you have in mind and what you're listening to yourself, I feel like everything has changed and it became totally negative right now. And you need to really again face it right now. There is no other way around, because there is a lot of karmic debt you have carried along, and you know it. Matter of fact, you might have been hurt with who you are, and you want to fix with regards to what you believe in, but it's like you need to go after what universe is trying to say first. Okay, be aligned with the universe. Okay, so that's one message I would like to say, because in the karma you can see drastic negative energy, death very negative, the devil very negative, disappointment very negative. And I mean, I'm feeling very sad right now, because you can see 3 negative cards, out of which all 3 are very negative. Okay, because you can see this is not a major arcana, 5 of cups, disappointment. But you can ask any tarot reader, coming this at the last end of the reading, starting from fortune card, coming to 5 of cups energy. I mean, I'm feeling very sorry for you guys, but I feel like at least right now you cannot change what is coming, what you're destined to right now, because of past decisions. But what I can give right now, just take the alternate path, what universe is saying. At least take the alternate path, listen carefully what I say, and move forward. Because even in the current path, you're not you're not really going after it at the end. I mean, you're kind of worried, and you're open to it in the initial start, but again you're kind of distracted. Okay, with that energy over here. So listen carefully what I'm going to say, because coming with the fortune and end up with disappointment, I'm really sad to even do this reading right now. But I feel like I'm hoping that whatever message I give, with the alternate path, at least you're going to listen carefully and take decisions accordingly. But again, I'm just a tarot reader, I'm just a medium doing these tarot card readings. But don't I'm not responsible for whatever actions and decisions you take. But that is something that you need to really focus on yourself and then move forward. But look at what I'm saying, look at what story I'm trying to tell you, what I'm expressing. And also check out your sun, moon, rising, Venus and Jupiter signs as well. So this is what I initially want to start with before I even start the reading, because this is a big thing. So be aware with the reading, guys. So let's start with the reading. Queen of Discs, Fortune and Knight of Discs. As I said, universe is putting itself to help you, but you're not looking at it. You're not looking at the signs that universe is giving you. You're just looking at the other side. Okay, and I feel like you have 2 characters, and it's not a good thing, because having 2 characters is the concept of ego here. So I feel like we have to not get involved in that. Okay, so you're creating the situation. Okay, I feel like this is not the situation really, but you are creating it. Situation is very fortunate, it's fortunate for you. But either ways, since universe is very supreme and very intelligent, and he's the source, he's the guider, he's the protector, he's the one who makes us discover things. Okay, universe is everything. He wants to just expand. You can see this representation over here. This is the space expanding. If everyone know how really space expands, it's according to this pattern, not like this. Okay, this is how space expands. And universe is everything. It wants us to just be positive and keep expanding the positivity. Okay, so major arcana at the center of the reading, Fortune. In this current path, we have adjustment, worry and the Lovers. You can see with the adjustment card, you want to fix things with the adjustment. You're quite liberal, you're quite open to fix things. You can see things if it is wrong, if it is not wrong. You have that intelligence. But I feel like at the same time, as much as you have the intelligence and you're worried, I feel like there is something that is distracting you. And if it is people, then watch out. Okay, there will be people who just want to get benefit for themselves, and they'll be using you as a connection, as an energy vampire, to suck in the energy for their benefit, just to make them feel good and make them feel superior in society. They really want to control people and have that connection where they link a chain with the Lovers card. You can see in the right way, it's beautifully represented. The devil will be at the back, and two levers will be chained. Okay, but if you have the real intelligence, what is the connection is all about, the chains are loose, you can just remove the chains by yourself. So you are tied up with the negative energy over here, especially next to worry card. I mean, even if things go wrong, there's that sensation of that temptation that you can just forget about negative things and just blend yourself with positivity. That doesn't happen. Okay, positivity comes when you transform it, not just blind yourself out of it. Okay, that never happens. If you do that, then again, tower energy, you need to experience it. Let's look into the alternate path. That's what I'm going to tell you. The mirror, the moon, which also represents mirror, the moon energy, the tower, which I just told you, strife. So the tower energy came because of this distraction that you have put in yourself, not to really focus on transforming, but just distracting yourself into the thinking that okay, everything is positive, like that. But when you do that, tower energy, I mean, that's why the people who designed tower, they kept this, and people have to understand the tower deeply. Why tower is kept? Because it's all about when things are too much, it has to be destroyed. Okay, there's no other way around. In order for us to feel safe, in order for us to move forward in a good way, if things are too much, it has to be fallen apart. Okay, because universe wants only positivity. Okay, if there is a lot of negativity, then there's no balance, it's going to fall down. Okay, the law of the universe is that if there is a nowadays people are like, they're so selfish that they want to build the biggest tower in town, but to build the biggest tower in town, you have to put yourself to build the biggest tower in town, not to destroy other people's buildings who are bigger than yours. Okay, so follow the law of the universe, then universe is going to support you. Okay, and with the moon energy over here, utilize the mind. I feel like there will be people who will pull the strings forward to manipulate you, and you can see this is the sine wave of the universe, and there will be people who will attract you to move towards another way that is totally different from the sine wave of the universe. Due to this reason, people become ignorant, and people lose their mind and their intelligence as well, and many people are victim to this. Okay, but again, everyone has their soul, everyone has their point where what they believe in, and if that totally changes, then I feel like not listening to the signs of the universe is really a big thing at this moment, what you're experiencing right now. And it not only blocks the movement what we're going to do, but it becomes hard for us to move in the future as well. There'll be some resistance pulling towards in order to get that enlightenment, that that knowledge, whatever we need to receive. And the main purpose why we came here is to just listen to what the universe is saying, and then gain knowledge out of it. That's the life purpose. Life purpose is to move, and to move forward in a way we always keep learning and keep understanding the universe much better, getting connected with the universe. Okay, and it's all about the knowledge. Okay, Jupiter energy. So now let's get into psychological basis, what is running in the background. Success, the aeon, and peace. So background is bringing that success. Okay, background is very good because we got the fortune energy. In the background, everything is good. There is a lot of opportunity for you to make money, because universe says you need money, fine, I'll give you that success of money. But without having this knowledge of something that universe is trying to tell, then there'll be a confusion. There'll just be a confusion. You'll be blindfolded. You're not going to see anything. You're not going to even receive money. That's what universe is trying to stress you. You need money, fine, but you need to understand something about it, some kind of knowledge you want to gain, then only you can receive it. With the Two of Swords energy, it's all about the confusion, not able to see. And only when you unlock the third eye, only when you become spiritual, you're going to see things, you're going to receive things. And with that, the knowledge, with the Aeon card, even though success is there, you cannot receive it because you're not seeing that. Okay, with the karma, we got, as I said, three very negative cards, and yeah, it's destiny. I feel like, not a good month after all, Aquarius, for you. But also check out your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs as well, because there'll be millions of Aquarius people. And to narrow down your perspective, you need to check out your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. But for people who have Moon in Aquarius or Sun in Aquarius or Ascendant Aquarius, very big month where you need to definitely be aware. And people who are spiritual, okay, let me tell you this, people who are spiritual and following the spiritual path, I mean, you don't have to worry about it much, because I feel like your placement might be totally different, not like this. I feel like, for spiritual people, universe is trying to open up your spirituality, and when you're open to this Two of Swords energy, then karma will be totally different. But I'm seeing karma is totally different. That means most of you are still in a stage where you're not unlocked your spiritual nature completely. Okay, so most of you watching right now, I feel like most of you have not yet opened your third eye, not really unlocked your psychic abilities, not been spiritual, not connected with that spiritual nature of who we are. We are all spiritual beings living in a temporary human experience. So connecting with that spirituality is important to analyze things and to understand things, what universe is trying to say. So again, karma, death, endings, because as I said, death is an ending. Why it has to end? If there is a lot of negativity that is built up, things have to shatter away, things have to fall apart, because this is not going to work out in the future. With the devil, you'll be clinging on to this, okay, for a while. And this is the karma. And I know, unless you realize the devil, unless you realize how devil works, what devil is really, then you can just lose up the chains and not be a victim of it. And with the disappointment again, not a pleasant reading after all. And I feel like sometimes we need to experience this emotional turnover. But I feel like if you connect with the moon energy and really gain your intelligence with regards to natural intelligence, connect with the moon energy, get aligned with the sine wave of the universe, get aligned with the sine wave of the universe, do things according to the sine wave of the universe. There are few things that you need to do on a certain day, and there are things that you shouldn't do on a certain day. And if you put yourself in a wrong alignment, I feel like tower energy again. So universe tries to give us negativity when things go wrong, but it is us who really push forward towards that negative energy in a right way, not blind ourselves towards it, to really receive these signs, whether it's negative or not, to really receive everything that universe says, whether good or bad. Try to analyze this without our emotions, only with the knowledge that again naturally that came along with the universe, and keep improving. And then you can see, you will understand how fortunate you are. You will understand how universe really is such a great thing to be around, to be at, to live around, to live with it, to work with it, and to really take guidance from it. So it's all about the expansion, guys. As I said when I started reading, it's all about the expansion. Universe wants everything to expand, at the same time to expand positively, and to carry that positivity in order to expand as well, and to be a medium of this expansion. So that's all I have for you guys, Aquarius. I really hope that you'll be guided. And also, please watch my Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs to get in-depth readings. Again, a candle went off. So one candle was remaining and it went off. So either ways, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay subscribed, click on the bell icon to get notified. Also, stay updated with my upcoming monthly readings as well, because I really think that this is heavy karma, what is going on. And the people who are facing difficulty, feel free to contact me. My business card is you can check out my business card. I offer services for tarot reading, astrological reading, life coaching and daily readings. All my social media links along with my contact number are mentioned. So feel free to do that, guys. I'll definitely help you guys with regards to anything and give the right advice in how to fix things, how to move forward. But yeah, until then, I'll catch you guys the next one. Thank you guys for so much support. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my upcoming readings, and thank you.